Hi everybody, today I'm presenting you the new tool I created, which is called sharingourhealth. The principle is quite easy. It's about sharing your own health data about, for example, your chronic illness, and then other people are able to see it. So for example, if you've been suffering from a chronic illness and you found solution that really works and you want to share them, or even if you didn't find any solution, but you did some discovery along the way, we are happy to hear about your story, and so are our users. So here is how you can share your story. First of all, you have to type username, password. You can select your age range. So for example, we're gonna do a demo user. Let's say you've been suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome since 2020, for example. Then you have the current status, so you can give an average of your symptoms. We're going to put everything to 5. As we do that, the graph is drawing itself, so you can see. Then you have the symptoms checker to give details about your symptoms. So for us, we're going to put fatigue at 10, frequency, daily, duration for 4 years, if it's for since 2020, extreme fatigue. And you can add as much symptoms that you want. The more details you add, the better. The health situation, you can there choose what is your current health situation. So maybe you're just looking to share a story and you're fully healed. Maybe you're in an urgent situation, you're more looking for help. Maybe you're in a remission and just looking to improve. Maybe you're just concerned, want to seek advice, or are fully stable. So here you can add also your contact information. We're gonna do concern badge. Then you have the health timeline, so that's where it's when it started. So let's say 2020. Fatigue started after having a food poisoning. Then you can add another one to give a description of what happened next. Fatigue got severe and developed CFS. So you can give a full timeline of your symptoms, starting from the beginning to the end. Treatment protocol. Let's say you've tried antidepressants, benzodiazepine, tepanolol, supplement, you try maybe coenzyme Q10, magnesium, berberine, lifestyle change, you maybe try meditation, stress management, pacing. Then you can share what's working, what's the current challenges. I haven't found anything that worked yet, for example, and then current challenges, fixing the low energy. Then you can go on to discoveries. There is a very important part is you can say if you found something that works for whatever. So let's say, for example, you found out that magnesium worked for anxiety, antidepressant maybe works for low mood. And then the resources, you can give name of whatever resources like Mayo Clinic in the USA, recommended reading book by whoever, and website that you found interesting. Then you can give your full story here if you want to give a long description. And then you can add files if you have maybe blood tests you want to share or test results of any kind you want to share. You can share it here. So once you've done that, you can submit the story. Then once it's been submitted, you get a success messages. We click OK. And here we're going to be able to look at our user. So here's all the data show. First you got the user info, then you got the badge, then you got the symptoms Everything is shown in a very graphical and easy to understand way, as you can see. Then you got the full story here. You got all the medication, supplement, lifestyle changes, effective intervention, ongoing challenges. Then you got the health journey timeline. Then you got the symptom checker. Then you got the problem solution matrix, which we talked about before, and the support resources. So as you can see, it's a very useful tool. We now have more than 5 users that share their story with us. And your story is welcome. Like if you have anything that's going on with your health and you'd like to share, whether you're here or whether you're still struggling or whether you're still very, very sick, it doesn't matter. Anything can be helpful. Just as I show you, for example, if you find out that magnesium works for anxiety, just if you say that one thing in your story is still very useful, right? Because if someone find your story, they can say, oh, magnesium might work for my anxiety, so I'm going to try it. So it's very useful. I hope that you can share your story. It's on sharingourhealth.com. And well, have a wonderful day.